Mema akwaba emfa umbraga nsem TVGH so wofreme Asawase searching
ewia yi Kennedy Ajapo ababe hia Asawase delegates yamana hu se yen no anya ade abetu abama we are for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia, His Excellency the incoming president 2028 Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia one na fata se yen to abama into the best delegate Asawase delegates no amuba e ma hu sin Samuel Kennedy e kan na asem bebre anti asebia nso nti the best delegates 2028 Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia, His Excellency. Nti no ya dia ma candidate asese yen no anya dia beto abama no ya Asawase delegates. We are for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia, our pilot number 3. Assalamu alaikum.
Onwa admitting who said good board no yankase e be tip up a prophet into obia na no ntu no waluso na wabro be ka kire say me yem fen kwhene na ye be kwese Bank of Ghana Bank of Ghana to bolu sisi o si minti the point ase me ko the point be ase Bank of Ghana omuntu gold now na gold no sisi abro nya se mo ken na no opasu oyi se meja 50 se meja finya eboni bia Dr. Mahmoud Bamia no eboni sa tablo na Bamia na ono tinchi mita na enokre na Bamia ana na hapta ye ne dia na enokre ende ye gitum ama yetumi di twantro atu nipa no so ne ono so dia beto ma eboa ma yesu ye expose nu a wo se min kotere dia ase na ye nya no onu emu suka admit sade no enye mfa so dirom ko ye aduma no e kire se wo hu se ekaba onu admit se ekaba say ye what the ever say Bank of Ghana and Aboka Matthias ye say ye Bank of Ghana and Akoton Aboka say sa company na Akoton Aboka one is you me pacho bra first Ghana police se BBC na edin kese ni ele subo ba ya ere bo han Ghana police Ghana soldier Ghana djuma bi se BBC a dan pare bra dan pare o na wati ase fa ne sa wai menia mo ka ho bi me si mo e na ka ho na party ni nye no nipa ne se ya de ka o ka ni suma se anka nye problem nipa ya batla si e defend offense Sami Jamfi who say defend Sami Jamfi na any problem wa want ase no wo de fa wadwen defend na wo defend Sami Jamfi no eno na any problem enye bibia o ko Sami Jamfi nye nipa ye defend no Sami Jamfi ye wudini Sami Jamfi ye nipa o say Ghana friends NPP for ye nyina say ye bona senyum ko na ye ye bona senyum ye hangi no Sami Jamfi nye nipa ka officer kwa me se fa ka mekana sem Sami Jamfi nye nipa wo se wo da kra wo so da ye kra no ba da yim kra umu ani ti na pa ba wi de nchiri Sami Jamfi nke nipa ho Sami Jamfi nye nipa so betra wo TV so na radio so e defending 1 seconds Sami Jamfi dia wa je Dr. Mahmoud Bamia en na do na ko gufodo na ye no kre and you people are still defending Abronya say on defending Sami Jamfi. Look at them. On defending Sami Jamfi. Na on switch asem no. On divert attention no. E dey na wo hunti a wo defending no. Last month and obe defend and also obe fremu asem bi be defending Sami Jamfi. The boy Sami Jamfi abaso. I was thinking e dey na Abronya e ne hu. There is something wrong somewhere. Automatically there is something wrong somewhere. Mo de mon defending no wachira. Ye na ibe hu de besi. Sami Jamfi ne nya sa ade we ya. Sami Jamfi ene nya sa topic we ya o. Kewu. Sami Jamfi ene NPP ne e wa ba mu. Ene so sa ade we mu a every day be every 2 seconds be obey central for shame. and then they know we more or so any point is one near Bonabaswa. Me na Kusibede. In Naesa, why? Party NPP. Party NPP. Nango kati every ebeso life omunago Party NPP. Emi ya said Dr. Mahmoud Baumia nimre so as anoma we na ekoso. Emi ya pa said Dr. Mahmoud Baumia bre so na anoma we na ekoso. Sami jemfi pa na MPP wa bam ana sa asem we aba. Na sami jemfi betra say me be kan no say oh bibi say ni say na we kwanya no kre obi entwem tonto no so ene dia bronya ka kire say I am afofo na emomu ni atrofo hey and still MPP focus so support to abronya say they all can hear right. Thank you my idea and I am afofo na nti yenyen krata na omo dia ba ne say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na dey buy. There is no way NDC will accept say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and I must see the dollar rate from omo that. You can defend from today to tomorrow. They will never believe. So how can I waste my time to defend this such a useless thing? Say dollar CD rating. They say me energy. Say oh no or T gold gold purchase rentino. Say can wasem. How can it possible? Opa cafe ne kusu wechina. NBC for the gold board no. Every year Ghana for and there is nothing. You say MPP they buy. One no me is in that. I'ma be name no. I'ma be rename no. I'ma be bibi for abaton ko for adwum. Abayi bibi for abaton ko for adwum. There is nothing can change their mind. Even MPP for grano. You won't go for what be being where best on my dream. And the fact is say I was see a focus so adia abato wana ye kana. Ebetimi abua party na. Unsu dimrika say say yen maye kent yen divert attention ko ka dollar abe from ne nyai sami jemfi na dollar na abe from no why na ti Ghana NBC ni be na ka say dollar na abe from no yen party for where the campaign yen party ma wa bro ne kwa na no betra be ka bi yen party for kwa the dollar CD rate no yen campaign bi tia yen. And you are telling me, say, me try to defend this dollar CD rate, no? God, I'm very disappointed in you today. Very, very disappointed. You have to be smart. You have to be smart. Abronya has changed totally. If you don't know, there is something wrong somewhere. Before you know, maybe be asking. Who saying this if what you want? Omunim say me say omunim pefe say sa gold board asem sabronyo so say kim omo wi yaba nti they will try their best to stop abronye. That's all. Nobody can convince me about this statement on abronye. Nobody. That is me. I know otia obe from me time, but I don't care. Enye masam say on waka say enye obi na to aduane obi di no obi e bo ne bra obi madwe kire and I don't me see my head a video man. I will never support him, never. Wa ko school on makenkai on madie se me bebre enso nyansa eni ba ko fotirim the way ne nan was wrong absolutely. Say NDC for how come stop on life within short period ade chen come be issue krata. Say NDC no wa we do nyankopon. Say NDC mu na owo hwe hari na Idrisu ma menka se wenche obi bia mu ka say abronya o my disappointed mu ka say bra e di hilo bi ba am. The first person your Bible team be defend here e hari na Idrisu wala kai yam ya gba wa kira be try say the abronya intimebo sa audio no hari na Idrisu. And the first person or Babontin ever issue and crater a letter say Nipa Kura or this I can't say. I dream by I say or the Adrian say Yenya yi levy no. That person no, was a Ghana food na kompaya. Ya didn't compare bumne nipa no. Aya die bi nsi da. Here na idrusu. No NDC bibwa. Say ya money pa ko abaso. Na some few years coming. Ghana mo besia biem. Say yi levy ntimi a. Within 24 hours, na NDC for aye central for shemu. Ayi shoe krata e de amano. No asamba withdraw statement no. Asamba lead the make control for you levy our parliament. Within 24 hours. Obia TB of me say the first person who come for you levy Harina Idrisu. The first person ever Ghana bakosimu. Odi come for you levy say or say na why nya sa idea we and me betra before you levy no me betra can say sika etutua even ye work on to foreigners nko a ye betime contribute to €1, $1, £1, £1 each every month. What diaspora na Ghana enko bisia biemu da. Na black mentality is very bad indeed. Obi empese obi pushing in ya. Ya ese kotokoko tuntum no. Tem bia ni patuntum pese ni ya etra de otre. Obi empese obi focus ro. En na yesa. Hari na Idrisu sambe retracting. Ebe pa NDC chow. Esambe leading. Our parliament. Try some boy he levy agu. Adiena na papa no. They tried their best to destroy the levy. And then Sami Jemfi akotasa amanemu a me metna ha me defend Sami Jemfi e meye damage control for so ase Sami Jemfi hu ete e meye bibim e ma no e wo bra no Sami Jemfi ye nsentro hye mu every 2 days bia no e wo yi levy hu hatta na nya ayidia Sami Jemfi di every day etra TV so ye nsentro hye mu against the town wa mia na ye no kre enya no kre. But when you made you might have say, Nipanakasa admit no. So there is no way say, over here, who say, by Yabe defend it. I was saying, we video in TV. Some medium fit me tra national television so destroy Baumia. Come on. And now, or no call it say, us may and say will be any munyam. My you said you know my Bruno. You will be dead because of
former Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumiantia NDC for Oma used the whole 1 year just to fix the exchange rate. Now me baba chro why Dr. Bawumiantia NDC for appear $10 billion. Ede agu economy no mu a de omo ya ne so de be ma cedi no abafam. Adentia if we say ade a omo ede aye campaign atia Bawumia sa ama even within NPP krampo no some presidential candidates aye de campaign atia Bawumia aye if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. This is the only strong idea omunimi say omodia campaign etia Bawumia since say Bawumia ne nanado ebedi aban no ana say eba aban mu from 2017 na awake ya momo. So omunimu say kiane ken Bawumia ene beye candidate ama NPP enti no was say omuye bibia ede egu Bawumia animase. So that is why economy na ato forcing edi animu ewo mahama aban a omo run no. That economy is called Bawumia obsessed economy. Omo attention na ne say nanado efra aban mu na dollar no to cedi no eye $1 is to 14 something Ghana cedi no. omo bete so a omo attention nyina no enti omo nimu say Nana do can say or the Baumia eba for the exchange rate about be fix it 8 years Baumia to me anya into omutimi ya obia omude no bebe bia to compete against Baumia. No, they will win against a Baumia. And NPP for don't make a mistake to change a Baumia because say as long as Baumia remains your flag bearer, omubeko swa anya pressure no, omo attention now to defeat Baumia on the exchange rate, and they know say omo defeat Baumia on the exchange rate. Omo ben win the next election, 2028 election, and kokon kitinkete omo yesa kokon kitinkete aka. Omo yesa 1 job 3 shifts 3 employees aka. Omo yesa big push ebeton suom ewo kwan mu. Omo yesa omo coding a program aton suomu. The mistake omo